Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Maps API for your website, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Maps API for your website, visit the Google Cloud Platform console. If you don't have an account, create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Select a Project drop-down. Click on New Project to create a new project for your maps. Give your project a name and click Create. After your project is created, ensure it's selected in the drop-down. In the left sidebar, locate the APIs and Services section. Select Library to access Google APIs. In the search bar, type Maps JavaScript API. Click on the result to open its details page. Press the Enable button to activate the Maps JavaScript API for your project. Next, navigate to the Credentials section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and choose API Key from the drop-down. Your new API key will be generated. Copy the API key for later use. For security, restrict your key by clicking on the Edit button next to it. Under Application Restrictions, select HTTP refers. Add your website's domain to restrict usage. Save your changes to secure your API key. Now go to your website's HTML file. In the head section, include a script tag for the Maps JavaScript API. Use the following format for the script tag, add your API key to the URL as a query parameter. Now you can start integrating Google Maps into your site. Initialize the map by creating a JavaScript function. Within this function, set the map options such as center and zoom level. Use the coordinates for the center point as a JavaScript object. Call the Maps API method to create a new map instance. Link the map instance to a div element on your web page. Customize your map by adding markers or other features as needed. Test your implementation locally in a web browser. Check for any errors in the console if the map doesn't display. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.